Hello everyone, my name is Oksana. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to practice some yoga exercises for our core. Let's build some energy. Okay, let's get started. And we're gonna start in the tabletop position. Bring your palms down, knees underneath your hips. Find a comfortable position. First of all, we're gonna warm up our core. Bring your chin up, look up. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhalation, push the floor away and round your back. Bring awareness to your core. And then relax your core, drop your belly down, chin up. On the next exhalation, you push the floor away, engage the core, and lift your knees up. Lift your knees just a little bit above the mat and slowly down. So we're warming up in this cat-cow pose, and every time you push the floor away, rounding the back, engaging the core, lifting the knees up. Very good. Let's move like this for another 5. Up. 4. Up. 3. Up. 2. Up. And 1. Up. Very good. This time you tuck your toes, and we're gonna do a similar thing. Push the floor away, engage your core, lift the knees up, and bring your right toes up and down, left toes up and down. Keep hovering with the knees and adding the taps with the toes. For another 3, both sides. 2. Very good. Keep your core engaged. 1. And down. Bring the tops of the palms down. Keep your arms straight and shift your weight back and forward. A little release for your wrists, because today we will do a lot of things where we need them. For another 2. And 1. Bring your palms down. Again, find the tabletop position. Push the floor away, engage your core, lift your knees up, hovering above the mat. Very good. So here we're tapping our right toes to the back, and then left toes to the back, building a plank, and then in, out, out, in. Keep your core engaged. Keep your palms pressing and pushing the floor away. For another 3. Very good. 2. And 1. Bring your knees in, drop them down. And now place your palms with the fingertips pointing to the edges of the mat. And shift your weight from right to left, from side to side. Very good. These wrist stretches are good for us because we are working on our core, and you have a moment to rest in between. Bring the palms, the tops of the palms down with the fingertips pointing to the midline of the mat, and do the same. Shift the weight from side to side. Very good. And we're moving back to the tabletop. Step back and find the plank. So here, bring your right knee to tap to the right elbow. And step back. Bring the left knee to tap your left elbow. Back, right, back, left, back. Keep engaging the core and bringing the knees to tap to your arms as far as you can. Very good. For another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, walk your palms forward, and maybe elbows down. Place your palms to touch, a little stretch for our arms and opening the chest. So here you can drop your forehead down or your chin chest down. Feel the stretch and opening through the sides and front, through the shoulders. And slowly back. Keep your elbows down, and we're building here forearm plank. Step back, raise your feet. Keep your core engaged, and we're moving here from side to side. So we're gonna dip our hips. Right hip down, back to the center. Left hip down, center. Right, center, left, center. Right, center, left, center. Right, keep your core engaged. Left, back, right, and left. One more. Right, one more, left. And start walking your feet closer toward your elbows. Find the dolphin pose. Push the floor away with your elbows. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible. Hold it here for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower down the knees. Cross your legs. Push the floor away with the palms. And straighten your legs forward. Find the seated position. So here, bend the knees. Grab yourself underneath the knee. Lean slightly to the back, but keep your spine straight and core engaged. So here, bring your left toes up, right toes up. Very good. You still can hold yourself, and option 1, you just stay here. That's okay. Option 2, you reach with the left arm and your right arm forward. Build your boat pose. Beautiful. Hold in here for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. And here I will give you variation. Option 1 will be more easier. You can always keep your palms underneath the knees, and every time we will go low boat, you can just lower your body down, but keep your palms underneath the knees. And on the exhalation, you push the floor away and bring yourself up. You help yourself with the arms, but you still engage in the core and bringing yourself up. So like this. Option 2, you go with me. We're gonna straighten the arms and legs and go from the low boat to the high boat. Ready? Find your high boat. Keep your shins parallel to the mat. And we're gonna start here. Take a deep breath in, slowly lower yourself down. Legs straight, core engaged, and on the exhalation, up. Very nice. Slowly down, and on the exhalation, up. Very good. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Let's go for another 5, 4. Very good. 3, 2, 1, hold it here. Maybe grab yourself underneath the knees and try to straighten your legs. Option 1, holding it here. Option 2, reach with your arms forward. For another 5, keep your core engaged and spine straight. 4, 3, if you're shaking here, this is very good. 2, and 1, slowly cross your legs, bring yourself down. Very good. Release. So here we already activated our core. Sometimes it's not enough, so you can repeat this round 2-3 times for the better results. But of course, if you feel like it's enough for you, that's okay. And I will do another video about the core, but with more intense pace and with more exercises. Let me know if you would like to practice more core and longer videos. I would really appreciate your comments and suggestions. Thank you so much for being here with me. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the like button, and hope to see you next time. See you. Bye-bye.